Hi guys, today we will discuss about how to share Instagram post to threads. This is a simple task. The first thing is open your Instagram application. After it opens, look for that post which you want to share on thread. Just for showing you, I will share this post on my thread account. And how can I do it? Simply take a look on the bottom of this picture. You will see three options. From these three options, you have to tap on this arrow icon. And from here, take a look on the bottom of my mobile screen. Here you will see few options: share, copy link, WhatsApp. Simply swipe this to the left side. And on the last, you can see the application threads. Just tap on it. And here is the same post. Now I can share this post. If you want to write some captions, then write and tap on this option, post. Then this post will be shared on your thread account, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.